The ocean is a wonderful place full of life and color. Under the sparkling waves, there is a beautiful world waiting to be discovered. A ray glides smoothly over the ocean floor, exploring the colorful coral reef. Coral reef creates stunning underwater gardens bursting with soft colors and interesting shapes. The ocean is alive with movement as bright and colorful creatures dance through the water. The ocean is home to so many creatures, each with a special role to play. Every one of them is important. In the ocean, you can find little fish darting in and out of the corals playing hide and seek. You can find a wise sea turtle gliding gracefully, exploring its underwater home. A jellyfish floats softly in the water, its colorful tentacles waving like ribbons. Sharks, turtles, and all kinds of ocean creatures happily share their underwater home, swimming together in the sparkling blue water. As we think about our wonderful ocean, we realize how important it is to take care of it. The ocean brings us joy and life, and we should protect this beautiful place. With its breathtaking beauty and fascinating creatures, the ocean is a treasure that brings happiness to all of us.